I think you're going to like this video. So often we look at control systems on machines, and often people get familiar with a control and they then make a change to something else. Well, that's a very different story here at DGF Engineering, where they've recently invested in this Dugard machine with his Mitsubishi M80 control. Lee, in most machine shops we go into, when they buy a new machine, they often buy a machine with the same control they've already got. They might look around and look at other software solutions, but invariably they go back to what they know. Very different for you here. You've just invested in this Dugard machine with this Mitsubishi M80 control. What's the transition been like from your previous operating software to this?
Very easy. Once you get used to it, and once you get used to where the buttons are, it does the same as any CNC really. And any control, it's just and just getting used to where you've got to push your fingers. Basically, there's no real difference.
It's not easy to make that decision because you've got a few guys in here that would be used to the previous software, and it's a bit of a leap of faith. Firstly, was it the right decision, and why did you make it to go for this M80 system?
I believe it's the right decision at the moment. So far, from what I've seen, yes, definitely. The control, from my understanding, is a more powerful control from what we've been used to. So looking forward at work that we've got planned, this control is certainly going to benefit us and aid us in that. And
as any company, you would have a lot of programs that you've already made, parts that will come back in and out of the machine shop.
Yep.
Are they going to be able to feed directly into here? Is there not going to be any issues with that, compatibility?
No issues at all. Compatibility, there may be a small tweak that we need to make, but other than that, the programs will be as they are on any machine that we've got here already.
And the usability of it, the touch screen, some of the icons on here, I mean, eye-catching, it's not important, but the functionality is it easy to manoeuvre around and see what's happening?
Very easy, yeah. I was a little bit dubious, to be fair, about the touch screen, because obviously being in the engineering environment with dirty fingers and everything like that, but it works really well and does make things a lot easier, and it helps.
And you were talking to me earlier about the fact that the company's going to move into maybe more 3D machining, surfacing.
Yeah.
You need more processing speed, more power. Was that one of the persuading points as well for you?
Definitely, yeah. From what I've heard about the figures that I've been told, yeah, this processor far supersedes anything that we've had so far.
Good. And the machine itself, for you, it's not just about the control and the software, it's obviously about the machine as well. Have you been impressed so far with what Dugard have supplied you with?
Yeah, really good. Everything so far has been faultless. The whole service of delivery, installation, the support that I've had so far has been perfect and spot on. Nothing's been too much trouble.
And because you look at this machine, you're talking about a machine here that there's a lot of options in the marketplace, isn't there? There's a meter machining centre, kind of 500-600 in the Y. You're buying something here that a lot of people can offer you. They've done quite well to secure this business from you because this is your first Dugard machine. What did push you over the line?
Multiple factors, to be fair. We wanted, to move away from our current supplier. We weren't particularly happy, but just the look of the machine, the durability of it, the quality of it that we saw just really ticked a lot of boxes.
And you went down for the operator training, didn't you?
I did.
To Hove, that all went according to plan?
It did, yeah. Just
Shame it wasn't summertime.
No, exactly. We had a bit of a chilly walk along the beach, but that was about it. But no, again, brilliant. Hotel stays, everything, no trouble. Really good facilities down there. Really friendly trainers. So yeah, all very, very good. One
of the bottlenecks in the shop you had was parts coming in that you just couldn't quite fit on your previous machines.
Exactly. Yeah.
This has overcome that problem, hasn't it?
It has so far, but no doubt more stuff will come in that's too big for it. But then where we go, we'll have to see if we can get another one in.
Okay, so happy operator, happy programmer, happy owner.
Absolutely, definitely.